Archery enthusiasts have a new state-of-the-art home. The LawHorner Gun and Archery Adventure is one of the most advanced and well-equipped shooting facilities in the country. Designed by enthusiasts for enthusiasts, LawHorner offers a modern and comfortable environment for individual or group sessions. As your abilities increase, so will the challenges. LawHorner has extensive training courses and skill development resources. Beginner and introductory programs are available for the novice. Leagues and competition for the more advanced. Separate archery lanes provide for that perfect practice setting. LawHorner's Archery Pro Shop can make sure you are well equipped, offering the latest in archery equipment and accessories. The LawHorner Indoor Arms and Archery Adventure is conveniently located between Dayton and Columbus, Ohio, at 309 East Leffel Lane, off of State Route 72, just north of I-70 in Springfield, Ohio. To learn more about the excitement in store at LawHorner, give us a call at 937-323-3200 or visit us on the web at lawhorner.com.